The wise farmer and his sons. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived an old farmer named Raghav. He had three sons, Vikram, Hari, and Arun. Raghav had worked hard his whole life, but as he grew older, his health began to fail. He was worried about his sons because they often quarreled among themselves and didn't work together. One day, realizing that he didn't have much time left, Raghav called his sons to his bedside. He said, "My sons, I have a valuable lesson to teach you. I want you to go to the field and bring me a bundle of sticks." Though confused, the sons did as their father asked. When they returned with a bundle of sticks, Raghav gave it to Vikram and said, "Try to break it." Vikram tried with all his might but couldn't break the bundle. Then Raghav asked Hari and Arjun to try, but neither of them could break the bundle. The old farmer then untied the bundle and handed one stick to each son. "Now break the sticks one by one," he said. The sons easily broke the individual sticks. Raghav smiled and said, "See, my sons, when the sticks were together, you could not break them, but when they were separated, they were easy to break. The same goes for you. If you stand united, no one can harm you. But if you continue to quarrel and work alone, it will be easy for others to defeat you." Raghav's words made the sons realize the importance of unity. From the day on, they stopped fighting and began working together to manage the farm. Their unity made the farm prosper, and they lived happily and peacefully. The lesson of the wise farmer spread throughout the village. Moral: united we stand, divided we fall.